In this video, we will show you how to turn off AI on Pinterest. In here, we will show you how to turn off AI on Pinterest on smartphone and also on the desktop. First, let me show you how to turn off AI on Pinterest when using the smartphone, Android or iPhone. After you open your smartphone and open the Pinterest account, just click this, on your profile, these three dot icons, and in here choose settings. In here, if you don't want to see the AI contents or less AI content on Pinterest, after you choose settings, just select refine your recommendations. Okay, just click this after that, and you can scroll down here or you can scroll left. Just scroll left and then choose scan AI interest. For example, here you can turn off all of this category, of the image that you don't want it's appear from AI. For example, I disable the architecture and art. This is the, for example, you can also disable all of this, so you don't see the AI content from the category. And this is also the tips if you don't want your Pinterest account that can train on the Pinterest AI. You can click back here. This is just the tips. Another tips, select privacy and data here, and in here you can scroll down. You can see you can also disable the Gen AI. This is allow your data to be used to help train Pinterest canvas. You can also turn off this. And how to turn off AI on the desktop. This is for smartphone, and for the desktop it's easier. You can open your Pinterest account and click your profile here, and after that you can see this is the account settings. You can click a row. After that, choose settings, and you can choose the refine your recommendations. You can choose AI contents. It's a little bit different for the menu, and you can turn off the anything about AI, for example, like this. And then you can see this is already turned off. And also, if you want to turn off the AI train, you can disable this. And click save. And that's all tutorial how to turn off AI on Pinterest. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.